Today, we're excited to introduce you to the brand new vehicle search function on the Phoenix Gold website. We'll also dive into our latest range of plug-and-play DSP amplifiers and harnesses, the ZDA series. If you scroll down past the main banner, you'll see our vehicle search tool. This tool lets you quickly find products tailored to your vehicle. Here's how it works. Select your vehicle's make and model from the drop-down menu. Click Search, and voila! You'll see a page showing all the plug-and-play products we offer for your specific vehicle. Now, if you don't see any plug-and-play products for your vehicle, no worries. Head to the Products tab in the main menu to explore our universal audio products. On the Products page, you'll find a wide range of options, each with clear descriptions explaining their features and differences. When you click on a product, you'll be taken to a detailed product page. Here, you'll see high-resolution images, detailed descriptions, a full application list, and even instruction guides and videos to help you get the most out of your product. If you're an end user looking for the perfect audio solution, you can email us, and we'll connect you with one of our global resellers. And if you're a dealer, or interested in becoming one, reach out to us, and a sales manager will contact you. As part of the launch of our new ZDA range, we've created a dedicated page packed with all the details you need. You can access this page by clicking the main banner on the homepage or using the menu button at the top of the site. The page shows you a detailed overview of the new ZDA DSP amplifiers. What makes the ZDA range special is the bespoke plug-and-play harnesses that are designed specifically for each vehicle. By using these harnesses you can install the new DSP amplifier quickly and easily. The page also gives you a link to our free DSP software including full overview video. Our multifunctional controller allows you to control your amplifier in style. Our new DSP amplifiers are built using high-quality components giving you amazing sound, quality, and reliability. You can view the complete plug-and-play range or search for your specific vehicle using the search tool. With 3 different DSP amplifiers in the range you can choose the channels that suit you best for your install. To learn more about the ZDA range and everything Phoenix Gold has to offer, visit the website yourself at phoenixgold.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media to stay updated with the latest news, events, and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.